Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can share apps on WhatsApp. So this is one of the most asked questions on YouTube, so I'm making a tutorial on this. So just like you can see here, I just shared an app to this number and let me try installing it for you to see. So this is an app installation blocker. So I just need to confirm that I want to install apps on WhatsApp, allow this source, and I'm good to go. I can proceed in installing this app. So I'm going to show you how I do this. So to install an app on WhatsApp, I think the app should be in an APK form. You should download it online. So if it's Vidmate, if it's WhatsApp, if it's anything, you should download the app in an APK form and then you save it in your downloads. So you just move to your file manager here and then you search for the app and then you just try to share the app, something like this. And then you proceed to the number you want to share with, something like this, and then you send it and you're good to go. That's it on how you can share an app on WhatsApp. So you can do this on WhatsApp and then WhatsApp Business. When you use this section, you're not going to get any option to send an app. So the only option is you doing the file manager procedure, and then you get here. So that's it on how you can share apps on WhatsApp. So our next video will be on how to create pools on WhatsApp, whether it be in a channel or a group. So we'll be making a video on that. So if you are seeing this video, subscribe so you don't miss any of our upcoming updates. That's it for this video. Peace.